This is the Train Domain's weekly tips and tricks video. This week's tip is part 1 of mail merging in Microsoft Word. To create mail merge documents, such as letters, you must have a spreadsheet or database to pull information from, like name, address, or other information that needs to be inserted into the document. First, you must link the document with the appropriate file. Click the Mailings tab, then click the caret for Select Recipients. Select the appropriate option based on if the information you are merging has been created, needs to be created, or can be pulled from Microsoft Outlook. In this case, my list is already created, and I will select Use an Existing List. Navigate to the appropriate file and select it. If you are using a spreadsheet or database, you will be prompted to select the desired table. Make sure to check the box for first row of data contains column headers. If your data has headers, click OK when you have made your selections. Next, click the Insert Merge field and select the appropriate field. If you are inserting multiple fields, continue to insert them in the appropriate places in the document using the correct spacing and punctuation. When all of the fields are inserted, click the Finish and Merge button. Notice you can print documents and send emails. But for the purpose of this example, I will select Edit Individual Documents. You can merge all records, only the current records, or a range of records. Once you have made the selection, click OK. Now a separate document has been created for each record from the spreadsheet. If you like this video, please hit that like button, share, and don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms for more tips and tricks videos from the Train Domain.